there is an evidence of the impact of climate change in mountain areas and winter tourism. Then we have heard about different scenarios that were built and elaborated based on the scenarios presented by the IPCC, depending on the various possibilities of a temperature increase in the future. Then we heard about a possible panoply of response from snowmaking, slow adaptation, hiring of slope, moving them to the northern side, investment in infrastructure, alternative winter sports, and even broader, maybe diversify product so as to include, for example, a longer summer season, since we also have other, in that sense, positive impact on mountain areas. Then I think another important message that came is the importance of factoring in every planning and provision on how to respond to climate change, taking into account a number of other trends which are already present in the tourist sector. It occurs to me that, for example, was mentioned demography. Yesterday we heard about one of the response is the extending the length of stay, but we should take into account that the current trends of tourism are in fact indicating a different pattern, whereby short break, etc. So the message is, yes, let's take into account climate change, but let's not forget other dynamics which are already there. And finally, I think that there is no strict divide between adaptation and mitigation. Some of the presentation we heard today deal with both, while the panels have been divided, it is normally done into the two separate measures. We should take into account that, in fact, adaptation measure may overlap with mitigation measure and vice versa, and I think we will take that into account also in the conclusion of this meeting.